didn't know that anymore. There were thousands of friends. We will open up the house. Follow me the walls. Follow me, open up the gates. And we were people who toy slaves. Were ready for a change. For the first time forever. For the first time forever, dancing through the night. Motivated to Gussie, I'm so in the sky. For the first time forever, I'll be alone. I can't wait to hear when that one.
That was excellent, Jules.
How about we send it to Daddy?
Okay. Well,
Did you send it to Daddy?
I didn't, but I can. Are you all done? Do you want to say anything to Daddy?
Yes.
What?
Something?
You can say it. I'm recording you, and then he'll hear it when he plays it.
What kind of?
He can play it on his phone if you tell him something now. How about you tell him something?
Okay, cool. Did that.
What do you want to say to Daddy?
I love you.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, should I turn it off?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, no singing today. Just playing. How about you be King One?
Me?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to play with your Sophia toys?
How about you be King One today?
Is the concert over?
What?
Is the concert over? Okay. All right, I'm turning it off.